Hey folks, and welcome to the Pipnotic Symposium for the 12th of November 2019. I recently went back to my YouTube channel statistics to have a look at how long people are spending on watching videos. And I was surprised to discover that the retention of people watching the videos is incredibly low. About 50% of the people who click on the play button initially leave after only a few minutes, and so I'm going to probably stop making long videos because clearly they're not getting watched. And so today's just going to be a short bite-sized lesson. It's going to take a couple of minutes, which I think everyone has the time to watch, and then I'll wrap it up at that. But yesterday in the symposium we discovered what it was that is driving the price of an asset. We spoke about supply and demand, inflation, interest rates, and we had and that was on the slower side of the scale, and then we had on the faster side of the scale, which was the news, economic data releases, and sentiment and stuff like that. And if you look at this right here, this was an entry made by the supply and demand showed this just here, and the robot put the entry in at this level here. And I want you to notice that that this entry was taken at bleeding edge price. Okay, and so when you're looking at the right side of the chart, you are trading in line with sentiment and news as it is priced into the price of an asset. Okay, if you're focusing on old, potentially stale areas of supply and demand, then I think you'll find that the sentiment will have changed since those historical areas have been established. And there's been a bit of talk about this in the chat room. And so what you want to do is you want to focus on bleeding edge price, because here you can see the sentiment and the news priced into the price of the asset here and now, and you trade those patterns as they occur. This is just a really nice example here. We had a negative bias, we had this really nice departure, this qualified this area of supply, price left, price came back to it, and then this is where price left from. Okay, supply and demand software found this, and it's super important that you ensure that you are trading in line with this sentiment. Okay, so focus on bleeding edge price, look for patterns that line up with the sentiment and the economic data releases for the asset, and trade those only. Okay, I'll leave it at that. Nice and short and sweet. Thanks for watching.